So every end of the year, the teachers are rated and evaluated for their performance for the whole school year. Upon seeing my rating, this coworker asked, "Hala Grace, 4.0 ra lagi ni mong score. Abi na kog mag 4.4 or almost outstanding ka or basin ganig outstanding." Well, in my case, I'm humbled by the people that I have encountered in my life. I know that outstanding nga rating, dili gid siya bagay nako. And I've seen a lot of people, a lot of coworkers, even before, nga deserving gud anang outstanding. In my part, I just do my best, just do what I can to finish the task. But there are those people who really do more and do as in kanang best good ana nga task that was given to them. I know my capabilities, I know my weaknesses, I know my strengths, and I know my limitation. And for now, siguro at the moment, my status is still on VS, not on outstanding. Pero, aning haon nga makabot nako ang katong mga gilook up ginako nga mga tao. So, I will just do the best I can and hope you too will do your best today. Kada, thanks for watching.